Welcome to Caramel Classroom, where stories come to life. Today, discover the extraordinary power of cooking with the magical recipe book. Once in a quaint village surrounded by rolling hills and whispering winds, there lived a curious and adventurous 10-year-old boy named Alex. Alex loved nothing more than exploring the nooks and crannies of their grandmother's ancient house, a treasure trove of stories and secrets waiting to be discovered. One rainy afternoon, while rummaging through the attic, Alex stumbled upon an old dusty book hidden beneath a pile of forgotten knickknacks. Its cover was worn, and the title read, "The Magical Recipe Book." Intrigued, Alex opened the book to find pages filled with recipes unlike any they had ever seen. Elixir of gigantic joy, stew of invisible boundaries, cake of timeless laughter. Each recipe was accompanied by bizarre ingredients such as whispers of the wind, shadows of a moonlit night, and laughter of a child. Thinking it all to be a game, Alex decided to try out a recipe. They chose the simplest one, cookies of boundless energy. The ingredients seemed ordinary enough, except for the last one, a dash of spirited adventure. Alex chuckled, mixing the ingredients while imagining the wildest adventures. As the cookies baked, a sweet, enticing aroma filled the kitchen, unlike anything Alex or their grandmother had ever smelled. Upon taking the first bite, Alex felt a surge of energy and joy. It wasn't long before they realized these weren't just feelings. Alex could now run faster, jump higher, and laugh louder. The cookies had truly given them boundless energy. Word of the magical cookies spread through the village, and soon everyone wanted a taste of the magic. Alex, seeing the opportunity to help, decided to use the recipe book to bring joy, solve problems, and spread happiness throughout their community. They concocted the elixir of gigantic joy for the local school to make learning more fun, the stew of invisible boundaries to resolve a feud between neighbors, and the cake of timeless laughter for the town's annual festival, making it the most memorable one yet. However, with magic comes responsibility. Alex learned that not all recipes should be shared freely. Some, like the potion of forgotten sorrows, were too powerful and could have unintended consequences. With their grandmother's guidance, Alex learned to use the book wisely, understanding that the real magic lay not in the book itself, but in the heart and intentions of the user. The magical recipe book became a legacy in the village, a reminder that magic exists in the joy we bring to others, the problems we solve together, and the adventures we embark upon. And as for Alex, they became known as the Keeper of Magic, a title they bore with pride and humility, always ready to concoct a little magic to make the world a better place. If you enjoyed our tale, show some love by hitting like. And don't forget to subscribe for more sweet adventures.